Good day, my name is Ted Jones. We're here at MarineMax Stuart. We're on the whaler Dauntless 240. Now what's really unique about this boat, it's got the Pro Angler tower set up. Basically you have the normal helm station, it's got your Marine, your stereo, all your typical controls, gauges, but it also has a platform on top of the console where you can stand up, and above the T-top is a second helm station. Great for viewing when you're fishing, or if you're in shallower water like in the Keys and you're looking to dive on a reef and you want to see what's there. Absolutely fantastic for that. This boat's also equipped with a power pole setup, a hydraulic jack plate for getting you in and out of shallow water, has a complete bow cushion package so you can be very comfortable when you're not fishing and just relaxing and enjoying the day. There's so much more to this boat. Really would love to have you come in, see the boat, and especially get out and ride on it. Whaler's an incredible riding boat. Again, my name is Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart. For more information, please feel free to give me a call, 772-263-6743. Thank you.